Hey everyone, Vakas here. So guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you Apple has been released right now iOS 18.7.7. So if you are not still update your iPhone to latest iOS 26 update, this update is very useful for your iPhone devices because in this update, Apple has launched latest security issues fixed right now that showing on previous update. So if you also want to update your iPhone to latest iOS update, this update helps you to keep your iPhone secure. After watching this video, I hope you will all know what's new in that update and why you update your iPhone latest iOS 18.7.7. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.